Hello, welcome back. Today, we are going to see how to factorize using difference of two squares. Let us consider two factors, a minus b and a plus b. We are going to take a multiplied by all this factor, that is going to be a in the bracket a plus b minus b multiplied by all this factor, that is a plus b. Let us expand this. A multiplied by a, we got a square. A multiplied by b, we got a b, minus a multiplied by a, we got minus a b, minus b multiplied by b, we got minus b square. ab minus ab, we can cancel this. We are going to remain with a square minus b square. This is equal to a minus b, a plus b. Now, we are going to use this form, that is form of difference of two squares, to factorize these questions. Let us see question number 1. We have 64 x squared minus 25. First, we are going to put this in the form of a square minus b square. We know that 64 is the same as 8 square and 25 is the same as 5 square. That is going to be 8 square x square minus 5 square. We can combine this to the same power. That is going to be 8x square minus 5 square. Already 8x square minus 5 square is in the form of a square minus b square. So that is going to be 8x minus 5, then 8x plus 5. Let us do question number 2. We have 4x squared minus 100. The first thing, we are going to put it in the form of a square minus b square. 4 is the same as 2 square, and 100 is 10 square. We have 2 square x square minus 10 square. We can combine 2 square x square to the same power. That is going to be 2x square minus 10 square. This is already in the form of a square minus b square, so we can apply it to factorize. That is going to be our 2x is the same as a and our 10 is the same as b, so that is 2x plus 10 2x minus 10. So our answer is 2x plus 10 and 2x minus 10. Let us do question number 3. We have 49 a square minus 16b square. But we can put 49 and 16 in square form. That is going to be 7 square a square minus 16 is the same as 4 square b square. I can combine 7a in the same power and 4b in the same power. That is going to be 7a, all of them power 2, minus 4b, all of them power 2. Already 7a square minus 4b square is in the form of a square minus b square. That is a is equal to 7a and b is equal to b, we know that that is equal to a plus b, a minus b. A is equal to 7a, that is 7a plus b is equal to 4b. A is equal to 7a minus b is equal to 4b. So this is our factors. Let us do question number 6 and question number 4 and 5. I'm going to leave with you. You are going to do it and you are going to comment your answer to the comment section. So straight, let's do question number 6. We have x power 6 minus 81. Our first task is to put this in the form of a square minus b square. We know that x power 6, we can write it as x cubic square minus 9 square, that is 3 multiplied by 2, we got 6. So already this is in the form of a square minus b square, that is a is equal to x cubic and b is equal to 9, but our formula says a plus b, a minus b. So that is going to be x cubic plus b is equal to 9, x cubic minus b, which is equal to 9. And this is our factors. I hope you understand. Don't forget to comment your answer for question number 4 and question number 5. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.